Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to Ms. Amalia Zianti as the lecturer of Product and Service Innovation. For today, we are going to present the journals with the topic of design thinking. We choose this journal applying design thinking method to social entrepreneurship project. I will present this with my partners, Afiata Doni, and myself, Prawira Adiputra. Next. For the introductions of the social entrepreneurship project, there's a difference between traditional business and social entrepreneurship. And the main difference is in the motivations of solving social problem and needs. Social entrepreneurs usually have a similar way to the entrepreneurship, but in this case, the entrepreneurs create non-profit and charity organizations. There are several stakeholders in the social entrepreneurship that consist of social entrepreneurship, such as activists, philanthropists, environmentalists, and also innovators, citizens as the customers, users, or clients, and also the government. Next, please. This is the environment of social entrepreneurship. There are some of the environment that started from the individual levels, such as the social entrepreneurs, and also environment in the form of the community or group, such as social environment, culture in society, and social capital, and the environment in the form of abstracts, such as ideas, expertise, knowledge, innovations, and also environment in the form of physical, such as resources, collaboration, and also technologies. This is the example of business models in entrepreneurship. So in the social entrepreneurship, the business models that we can identify from the journals, there are 7, such as fee of service, market connector, cross compensation, employment and skill training, market intermediary, independent support, and cooperative. The example of each of the business model with the social enterprise type. For example, fee for service, the social enterprise type is sustainable water. The organization example is Water Help International. The social entrepreneurship is aimed to provide good quality of waters for people around the world. Next. To be able to design the social entrepreneurship project, we need to understand the definition of the social design. The social design is design process that contributes to human well-being and livelihood improvements. And the purpose of those social design is to create a better society and improve life quality of human beings in the world. The business models of the social entrepreneurship, there are 3 types. The first one is leverage non-profit. For this one, the leverage resources in order to respond social needs. The second one is hybrid non-profit. This is a distinctive one and use profit to sustain the operations of the organization. And the third one is social business venture. This one is taking business form to create a change through social means. For the next part will be explained by my partners, Doni.
Thank you. From the methodology, there are 11 steps, and step 1 and human-centered focus, strategy and goals, innovation approach, altruism, collaboration approach and brainstorming, technology usage, user involvement, prototype usage, test, experiment, and resources need. Okay. Next, baik. From 5 stages of designing social entrepreneurship, there are 5 step. One step as a good question. Step 2, get close to the life of those you are trying to serve. And build build to think and learn to learn. Okay. Number 4, see the entire business system as design opportunity and teach a person to fish. Okay. And in this section, I will explain study case 1, embrace baby warmer. Embrace baby warmer from Stanford University. A team of Stanford University used design thinking approach to design a simple portable device. A portable device is that is sleeping bag from newborn. Sleeping bag from newborn is Embrace Baby Warmer. The project of the Embrace Baby Warmer, adaptive and innovative, phase change material to maintain is in its temperature for 6 hours after heating for newborn babies. Okay. Next, study case 2 is East Africa Dairy Development. East Africa Dairy Development from Haver International and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Haver International received a grant of 42 million from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation in 2008 to start the East Africa Dairy Development Project. The project goal was to help about 179,000 small-scale dairy farmers to double in their incomes. Okay, this project intended to assist small dairy farmers to increase their milk productivity and to sell more milk by connecting to market. Okay, from conclusion, several point. Point one, design thinking is a human-centered innovation process that emphasizes observation, collaboration, fast learning, visualization of ideas, rapid concept prototyping, and concurrent business analysis, which ultimately influence innovation and strategy. Point two, social entrepreneurship project and design thinking methodology are highly related to their attribute and therefore can be proved to be integrated together. Okay. Next point, Stanford from Stanford University case, use design thinking to implement a social entrepreneurship project by creating an innovation product. This innovation is the Embrace Baby Warmer to help needed babies in the world. Next point, Haver International and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundations, successful collaboration between the design expert and social entrepreneur to reduce poverty in the society. Okay, the last slide is conclusion. Thank you, our presentation, and good morning.